Hello guys, how are you? Today I will explain how to use this tool, which is one of my tools, and it is the best for translating white album, and also it can be used to another games. As you can see here, this tool allow you to put all kind of the text so you can compare with them. Let's explain until I start the work. Now we need here an English part, of course. We will take the text from English part, and here the text which you will translate by yourself here. Here the text after conversion, and Japanese text is for Japanese text with allowing to hear the voice. For now, first I will go to here to take the English part. Okay, we can see now all the text part here. Also we can link all these together, the scrolling I mean, so we can compare with them like this. You can see that this way of splitting, it's even count the comma, so we can see here there's gap here, which is as the file is here, as the file show here, this comma, which allow you to make files not breaking, it's just working as is. Also we have tool or how to say a way in the program allow to compare the output with the English part, so we can make sure that there is no mistakes in the form of the text which will make the game crashes. Anyway, let's add the rest of the text here. This Japanese part, it's important because we want to hear the voice while we are translating. And here for Arabic there is no translation. I will take the output, my old translation, I will put it here and then convert it from kanji to Arabic to see the text which I made previously by human translation. Anyway, here you can see it's kanji. This version don't have right to left support yet. That will make explanation easier for you, because adding this right to left support, it will make this text look messy. So anyway, kanji to Arabic. Now we can see we have the text in Arabic. Okay, you can hear both, of course, your text by your language. For example, now Brazil group, you can make it here. Anyway, you can see all working well. You can see the text here, for example, here the name of the character with the translation, and here for example you can compare it with Japanese, takia here, takia in Arabic. Okay, so you will see here you can write your translation from zero. Of course, you need to make sure that it is starting from zero, like this, for example. Like this. Okay, so Arabic to kanji, you will see the output here, and you can take this output and put it in the game. But in the first, let me explain all the features we have here. In the first, we can, as you can see, we can convert the text in the way that we want. So for here, for example, all Arabic letters, it's kanji, so it will show kanji. Some you will use another way. You will see what you want. You can also convert the text back from kanji to Arabic, so you can make sure to read the text and all it's going well or no. We have also the scrolling here. We can, for example, scroll only English and Arabic. You can see, and like this, all mixed together, all moving together. This will make it easier. Here, count from this related with the voice support, I will tell you after. Here we have compare feature. When we click it, it will give us report how it is how the output text kanji here, for example, with English. How is it in the same form? If it is not in the same form, the game will crash. We need to have some rules I will explain here. Both files, kanji and English, should start by comma, or what, I don't know what it's called, this one, okay. Two, the number of the lines in each, it should be same. Here it's not same, or it's same but it's not correct. For example, let's go down. This file is not that much long, but it's the long ones, not the short. You can see here 891. To make it correct, we'll go to here. This here allow you to choose the number of text box. Okay, so here we need 892. Okay, why? Because the game have both comma in the first and in the end, so we need to make gap here to write a comma in the end. Okay, so let's do that. First, to make sure not lose our translation here, we'll copy this, put it back here, now this we don't need anymore. Update. Now it will make for us the small boxes. It will take some time. This is actually okay. It didn't take that much because I'm using now the laptop, which is M1 and fast. Okay, Arabic to kanji, tak. Now we have same number of commas. Sometimes it will not be same. By some mistakes you do, so you need to make sure. Compare now. First rule here, you can translate this by editing the code. I will also explain about the code. First, both files should have comma. It's saying success. It's correct. The number of comma should be same. First one is 891 and the second is also same, so it's success. 3, the gaps should be match. Gaps what mean? Sometimes in the middle of the text, see here for example, there's gaps, there's gaps. This gaps, if it's not there, game will crash, okay, or give you error at the end, at least yani. So we can see here, tuck, this gap, what happened now? This gap should be match. If it didn't match, it will not work. So now it's matching. So after that, here we are comparing the numbers. This thing you should not care about. This something related with Arabic and right to left languages. And here there is a tool. Tell me that this number is it's now it's in the opposite or in the reverse. Why? Because all the text here is reversed. This is something to make this translation work from right to left to left to right and this stuff. So I will just reverse them back. See, I'm reversing them back. This one here 15, here 51, it should be 15 like this here, 74, 88 like this. Now all the text is reversed. Again, it's not, see, it's now shorter. Success, all the gaps correct. The numbers that should be reversed, it's reversed now. It's just can't, no problem. Here, they're telling me that it is the numbers here also is not reversed. Actually, it's reversed. Just 15 here or here and 0s here or here. It's just something about Arabic English. I didn't add it because it's not important and you don't need it anyways. For me here, it's clear that here 2 zeros. It's here, not here. That's only that thing. That it is not in the same sequence. Anyway, the rule 5. If there is, see, that's important. Now, how I can see the, yeah, there is no way here to see it. 1 minute. Yeah, see, this what I'm speaking about. This, I don't know what it's called in English, but it is the text that it is programming text. The programming text should be matched 100%, should not be reversed or in different locations. We have back in the first in any file, this also in any file. CPI AMP, it means that when the game showing that something happened in the past, it will use this filter. Here it's give like تموجات, I don't know what it's called actually. Anyway, it's make some effect at the game. Catch 3, there's something related with the extended edition, something. It is to add, you don't care. MV, this videos of the game. You know, when they finish the game, it will show you the video of the ending song. So this is the title of this video file. GRP, it's related with a file inside the way. It's called grp.pack. It have some photos and stuff. Don't care about it. This here, it's mean making filter which is black to white. It's reverse the colors, or no. It make the photo only black and white. So it's kind of effect. Anyway, you need to make sure all these, and actually game have these, but sometimes it have more. These main ones that mainly used in CUDA actually. Because older version we saw here in the file different text, so from this kind of programming text with the gaps, if you remember. I don't know where it went actually. We have also in the see here, this is here GRP, as I said, this kind of text here. Photo, it is photo, GRP, again photo, then the text is completed. So you need to make sure these in same number, same comma number, same sequence, so the game will not crash. Last point, it will be the F16. This F16, it is actually, I don't think it exists in this file. It is a filter to, not filter, it's kind of, no, it's filtered to the text to make it small. When characters in the game speak in the low voice, they will use a shorter text, smaller text. It's around 13 size of it, not 30. So you need this filter to show that they are speaking in the low voice. Okay, so here in this file there is no F16. Anyway, I will explain how it will work, because it will break a lot of things if you don't know. Like this, F16, then we will close it like this. Now this text will show in the game as a small text. Okay, you need to add these, not to the English part of course, you need to add it to the output, F16, like this. We have also S20. S20, it means that the text will show from right to left, character by character, not all in the same time like always happening, character by character. This used in the last scenes of the games, so you need to know it. I think we have also not just F16, we have also S20, and we have also some other, but I don't remember, but it's rarely used. Mainly 16, we will see F16. It's used in maybe not in 100%, but more than 80% of the files have it, according to the scene, of course. So yeah. Now, last thing here I forgot to explain, it's the search. Now I tried to search by writing F16. For example, let's take this text here, put it here, search, tuck, see? This is important when mistakes happen in the game and there's crashes. You will take screenshot of the game, you will see the text, take the text and put it in the search and you will find it. Of course, there is another way to search for the text. You can just use the Mac search, because Mac search will search inside the files also, not just the names of the files. No, even it will search in the text inside it. So which will make it useful more than this, but this here it's important when you are searching for F16, for example. I write it, I search, sometimes because I forget to add it, or I wanted to add it at the end, or some these kind of stuffs. Here this important, here it will make a lot of stuff easier. Let's say for example, for some reason there is a square that missing, or square is over. For example, let's go here, okay, and add another square, okay, see, tuck. We have, what just happened? yeah, we have here an empty square. We want to remove it. This here will take a number of this square and tuck, it will remove it, but it will not remove from English part. It will remove it from the Arabic part or the part that you are working on. Okay, this is something normal. So I added this the wrong place. Okay, it's like this. If I want to add square for any reason, there is missing square. I want to add a 3, so I will write 2. Tuck, we added 1. This is important, especially if there is something missing and you don't want to take all the text here and remove 1 comma and take it back. Okay, so about the voice, okay, how to say, see, now we'll split the Japanese text, we'll make count. Now count in this version is not visible, which is mistake yani, but it's fine. Count what I mean, any text have this, see, you can see this, any text have this, it's linked with voice, right? So I made this button will give number to each line, have this comma or what it's called. Okay, I don't know this thing. Okay, so when you click it, the lines will be numbered according to number of this. For example, here there is no this, so in the second line it's don't have number, but here it's have. Okay, so what that mean? This is something programming. Okay, so here count from, sometimes you are starting the file from the half, so you want to start counting not from the first line that have this. When you will work on it, you will know what I mean. No need to further explanation. Now here you need to browse and it shows the file of this file that you are working on. Now I don't have the problem is I don't have, because I removed it, I have only this which is related to website. Anyway, you will take the voice.pak and you will what it's called, decompression it, and then you will search. I will add video how to do it. Okay, I will add video how to do it. I had video before all. For example, here only we have 2000, and also it will not work because this mp3, the files should be OOG. I mean, OOG is the main format of the game voices, but here because I added this feature in the website version of this program. Okay, now website is shutting down, but I needed there to use mp3 because Apple or Safari don't support OOG. But in the program here, no need to edit the voice files. You will just use OOG that in the game. Anyway, you will see the video talk now, and you will know what to do. You can hear every voice in the game. Okay.
大学だけは出ておけよ。鍋食べたいな。
じゃあ今夜。
There is no mistakes. It's just work better than you expect even. Okay, so it's all fine. Now let's explain here to the down. Unite. Now all the text here after you translating it, it will come to the down by in the way that it will work in the game. In the way that's specific for the game. Let's say it's just not just a split or not just unite. Okay, so now okay, I paste the new text. You can see it's end at the comma, start with comma. All the stuff S20 here that I added, all just working. Now we will save and add this file to the game. All will work just fine. So I prefer to say that using this tool is better 100% than using this tool. Here we can see this tool here. You will add text, you will give it in the kanji, then you will need to use another tool to add the text or copy or paste it directly to the VS. For example, you will go to the comma and best. You can see VS what it's doing. This I don't know what it's do, but it's just disturb so much. It will not allow you to work, and also human mistakes will be so much if you paste directly, but if you use program, no mistakes. So yeah, this is all the features. There's hidden features, like if you take text from something or put it in the Arabic, it will mix it for you. If there is extra lines, it will remove it for you. If there is harakat, it will remove it for you. But all this stuff, it is for specific cases. You don't need to know it or something. It's just for Arabic. So yeah, thank you very much. I think nothing left to explain. Hello guys, I forgot to explain about the code of the all-in-one tool. Okay, so I thought why not to explain it to you. As you can see, it's complex and long code, but actually it's most of this stuff it's for Arabic. For example, here let's go to make this code working, you need to download all these libraries. For example, here this library, if you download it, all this stuff will work, including these. Okay, so pyqt, how to install it, I will explain to you. A new terminal, pip install pyqt5. So like this, you can install the tool. If it didn't work, try to do it pip3, and it will work. I don't have internet right now, so anyway. Next thing here, it is by Arabic. This for strip harakat, to cut the harakat from the text. This is something only related with Arabic. You need to download by Arabic library to make it work. Also Pygym, you need to download it. About RE or OS, I don't remember it was for what. Anyway, maybe you need to download it by same way I explained. About the mapping, this mapping only specific for Arabic. You don't need it to other languages. Okay, so you mostly I will tell you to remove all the mapping. Okay, because it will not help. Maybe you need only mapping, normal mapping, or mapping before only this, but the rest we don't need at all. Convert kanji to Arabic. This when convert the kanji text to the Arabic, it is opposite direction. You don't need this tool also, this function. Okay, so let's do like this. We have here strip harakat, you don't need also, this only for Arabic. Convert Arabic to kanji, you can see here all the Arabic grammars is added to this function. Also it's not needed, and actually it's do some problems like in other languages, because it's reverse the text. Where is the reverse comment? Yeah, here you can see reverse comment. Okay, so it's better to remove it also. Replace compilation, this main tool that you need to in other languages. You will put here, for example, the Portuguese text, and here the katakana half cut, for example. Okay, and replace compilation, it will do all the stuff that you need. Adjust length, this important really for white album. Okay, because it will add for you the IN. The IN, which is in this tool here. Oh my god. Actually, you need maybe adjust lines. Where there is a function called adjust lines. Adjust length, no, adjust lines. Yeah, this function is so much important. The program for these two, the program automatically add IN to the text. Okay. What that mean? That mean that text will not be cut between two lines. Okay, because in Japanese it's not important if text is cut between two lines. Also, the text inside the game is fixed to make that not happening. So in the game, if you didn't add IN manually, the text will be divided half in one line and the next half in the next line. So this function here, it's important to calculate the length. Why? Because you don't want this small character to take a size in the counting in a just line as a normal line. What I mean, for example, a kanji letter, it will take a place of 4, you know, of 4 of these. So if we put a lot of 4 of these, it will take so much from the space that's allowed in the line. Now line, it's allowed to have 26 character of kanji character, or 55 from characters that is English character. Okay, so if we don't have this function, the comma will take space as much as kanji, you know, which is will make the lines for you in the game so much short. Okay, and this problem I had it before. So this tool here, this function here is important to count for you the length and then give it to split, to adjust lines. Adjust lines here will count for you 26 the line of the size of the line. If it's longer, it will take the next word and put it in the next line. You see, last word will be taken, added to the next line. Last word, then the line. So, and the reverse, maybe you don't need this for your language. Anyway, this tool here, it's so much important. This function, I mean, to adjust the lines in any language, to make sure that in is put it in the correct place. So the word will not be cut half between 2 lines. Okay, see, join we put 2. See, AI or ChatGPT will not add 2 for you. You need to add this manually. I mean, the code that ChatGPT will give you, it will have only one in, only one of this. So you may need to write 2 to make sure that it will be written directly to the text. Okay. Replace after M. In Arabic it is Hamza. This character. Okay, what happened? Okay, so you don't need it in other languages. It's just something for imla. Replace before, this also same. Here after M it have specific condition, and before it have also specific condition. Replace second combination. This it is a combination, but after the first combination. It's used, for example, because in Arabic, like I want to mix 2 letters in one kanji because no need to take that much big space. For example, here you can see the Hamza, it's taking the place of 2 or no, the comma, it's N. This kind of second combination is important for Arabic. Maybe other language you will need it, so don't remove it. It just will help, maybe, or maybe not. At least you need the comma to be N. Why? Because the comma in the game, if there is one extra comma in the file, the game will crash. The size of the comma should be, the number of the comma, it should be correct 100%. If it's increased a little bit, it will crash the game. So this tool here, make sure that the comma will be written as N. Okay, N will help you because it will show like comma in the game. In the game official text, the comma is I don't know. It will show like, yeah, the comma in the game text, it's like this. Okay, like this. So if you want to write comma in the translation, you need to write it like this. So for example, here for you, don't make it N, make it, what just happened? Make it the N, make it like this. Now for you, for your language, and for the game, it will just work fine as intended. Anyway, extract numbers. Yeah, this for chicken. We have compare button. It will compare a lot of stuff, including numbers. This is something only for Arabic, because in Arabic numbers will be reversed, because the text will reverse everything, including numbers. Reversed number, this function to fix the reversed numbers. Don't ask me why this is happening, but I didn't want to touch the Arabic to kanji function, so I made a function to fix that. Anyway, check matching this both files should have should start and end by comma. For here the number of commas, this I explained in the code. Here it is showing. Okay, the report here, then you need to translate these to your language. It will make the work so much easier, and you definitely need this compare. Without this compare, you will lose a lot of time. After I made it, I saved a lot of time in Coda. Okay, and remember, the stuff you think that it will not take that much time by your hand, if you make it by any program, it will take less and less, surprisingly. Okay, reverse number dialog. This tool also you need, actually it's just for Arabic. Anyway, on reverse on ignore, on nothing here really. Here how the tool is showing. You can translate the tool, for example, now. Okay, there is buttons and the stuff, how it's shaped. Mostly this tool in English, because I know that it will need it in other languages also. Here you can see this kind of text. You can add here the text that it will show in the game to be detected automatically. I explained about it and I don't know how to explain it again. Convert all. I don't remember what was this. Anyway, start over, its button. Update all sections, this something. And here the UI. Again, this all the options you see, how it is translated. It's certainly in English. For example, here axe, make it reverse. Okay, but reverse tool is just specific for Arabic. You don't need it anyway. Start over here. It's so much good. It will allow you to work on a lot of files without closing the program or removing every line you added before. It's important for working at a lot of files in fast way. Boxes here, update. Yeah, this one's most important tool. Actually, you can work without it, but it will make it way more easier. Okay, the input, you can here change the input from kanji to converted and from Arabic to Portuguese. Anyway, this is the code, and the other stuff, it's just not important. I explained the main tool, which is the main function. Okay, just lines and the rest. And yeah, hoping now the explanation is complete. Thank you very much.